2. Go. Prepare. Right punch. Right low block. Turn to your right. 3. 4. Punch. Center. To your center. Prepare. Prepare first. Prepare first. 5.
Don't forget to prepare.
6.
Para hindi nandito.
7. 8. Ha! Okay. We will just add 1, 2. I will count again 2. Oh, 2, 3. Where's your 3? Just like there. 3. Prepare right. Prepare right.
Prepare right. Then turn.
Turn. There. 3.
Oh, you're right.
4. Step punch. Oh. Then 5 is center. Oh, where's your center? Prepare first. Prepare. Oh, go 5. Wait. Hala. Dul. Prepare. Set. Other hand. Left is 4. Left is 4. Prepare. Center. Nasot. 5. Yusot.
6.
Ilgo.
7.
Yudol. Shout. Big X. Uy, prepare your line first. Prepare your left. 10. 11. Prepare your right. Turning to your right. Go. 12. Oh, going back na. Very good. Prepare. Prepare first. Very good. Don't be so excited. 13. Low. Is there. 14. 15. 16 is. Don't forget. 8 and 16. Oh, what's the last 4 step?
Steady.
You go back to Jubi. Then chariot. Kyongre. The proper way. Okay?
3. 4. 5. 6. 7.
8. That's 8.
There.
Oh, correct.
9.
Forgot to cover.
10.
Prepare.
There.
Oh.
13.
14. After 16.
Prepare
What
again.
number?
Up, left.
Left.
Then.
Then. After 16, what is? 17. Oh, that's 17. That's what number? 17.
Prepare again. 19.
Very good.
Wow.
Bro, wait for the command, bro. Hindi. Wait for the command.
Easy, ah.
Easy.
Easy, ah.
Oh, okay. Come back. You wait.
Ha!
You say easy, ah.
Easy.
When you kick, when you lift your leg, you straight it, then stop it like that. No. Then you shot. Shot na, di ba? About your other leg, this foot. Good. Oh, lower your other. Okay. Very good. See, the sound. Add more pivot together. If you kick it, twist it another leg. Twist the other leg. Go. Twist it. Wait. Twist it. Twist it. Kasi the hardest kick is 45 kick. All kicks comes from twisting. You shot. Go. Extra movements. How about your left? Good. Add more twist together. right foot forward for the left fighting stance, or left foot forward for the right fighting stance. Not here. Not here. Okay? Remember that, ha? In following trainings, for the front leg kicking, you will kick from the one kick. Later that, the following training. But now, we will just kick basic kicks muna. So, comes from back leg always. And kick. Good. Oh, fighting stance again. Go, kick. Fighting stance again. Kick. Fighting
Do
stance
the
again.
fighting
Kick.
stance properly.
Now, we will kick right and left. Right and left. Before we go to the speed, so we kick first the proper way, the right and the left. How to kick, follow. So how? First, you do fighting stance. I'm gonna kick my hand.
Back leg.
I think you're in 20,500 or 600 student kick my hand. Yeah, oh. You're gonna kick my hand. Oh, I'm gonna look back. Like, very good. Go to left. Center. Go. Center. Always when you are. Your assignment is splitting. We will not force you to split. We will not force you yet to split. Try na po dito.
Sige, sige lang.
At the post or wall of your house like this, then you put your other hands here. What is the kick in the foundation for number 2? Front kick. Yes. How can you proceed from kick? How can you execute? So you start from the like this, fighting stance, but not yet with the balance. So help yourself. Go to the wall, then like this, do like this. Maybe 100 times. Para doon. My leg is clipping. Yes. My leg is clipping. Look. My leg is clipping. Yes. Other side also. My leg is clipping. Yes. You practice at home. Because that is your kick for foundation form number 2. Remember, if you know the foundation form number 1, it is easy to perform foundation form number 2. That's number 2. 3, almost the same. Turn. 4,
Same pattern.
kick and center, low block. But not middle punch na, high punch. High punch.
Same pattern.
And half. Same. Okay, maybe we can practice, maybe we will do that on